How to like status on WhatsApp iPhone. So if you found an interesting status on your WhatsApp on iPhone and I want to show that you really like the status, then this video is going to walk you through how to like status on your WhatsApp iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do when you want to like status on WhatsApp iPhone is go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone. So go ahead and open the App Store. Once you open the App Store, search for WhatsApp using the search box. Then hang on for the result to open. Once you see WhatsApp Messenger, go ahead and click on it. Then if there is an update available for you, just go ahead and click on update. Then you may be prompted to confirm your Apple ID password before you can download the update. Then if you're prompted, go ahead and type in your Apple ID password. Once you typed in the Apple ID password, go ahead and click on send that up right and hang on for your Apple account to sign to the App Store. Once your password is confirmed, then you should see the WhatsApp Messenger upgrading. And once you've successfully upgraded to the latest WhatsApp version, then exit the WhatsApp app. Go ahead and open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Then hang on while the WhatsApp opens. Then come here and click on update. Locate the WhatsApp status you want to like and then open it. Then let's say the WhatsApp status I want to like is this. Once you find the WhatsApp status just like this, go ahead and click on the like or love icon at the bottom right. Then the gray button will change to love. You see that? Then that indicates that you've already liked the WhatsApp status. Now, when the WhatsApp owner opens their WhatsApp account and check the status, then you should see love flying up that you already like this particular status. So that is basically how to like status on WhatsApp iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.